Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to remove a screen door so you can do it yourself and hopefully save some money. Here we go. First, I'll show you some tools that I will use for this work. You can use a little putty knife, a flathead screwdriver. This is a little plastic shim that I have, and a Phillips screwdriver. We're going to first take a look at this particular door. At the bottom of it, there's actually, on each corner of this screen door, there's an adjustment screw. Let me show you that. This is your adjustment screw over here. When you loosen this, there's a little, the wheels that's under here can go up and down. So the more you loosen it, the easier it is to lift up. Next, for the next step, I'm going to use this wedge tool. Not really wedge tool, it's just a shim. But I'm going to lift it up just so I can see and get a feel for where the wheel is. So I can lift it up. And do this. And there you go. Once you have it loose, all you have to do is really push up, and there it is. Now you have your screen door removed. You have to put it back. Same process. You just kind of push it inside the groove, and then I will come down here. Again, just my little shim. Push up on this wheel. Then I can slide it back in. Go. And then same process for the back. Now the last step is just re-tighten your adjustment so that it stays there and doesn't come back up. There you have it. Now hopefully you learned something new and it saved you some time and money. If you like our video, please subscribe. Thanks.